Quiz 2 is all about finding limits using a graph, and Quiz 3 is going to be all about finding limits given an equation. So we're being asked to find the limit as x approaches 3, and that's an overall limit, of negative x squared plus 2x minus 8. The great thing about limits with equations is you can actually put these into your calculator and get the answer out. So we'll start off by taking the equation that they've given us here, that they want the limit of. We'll put that into y1 on our calculator. From there, we'll go ahead and graph that and do a second calc. And in that calc menu, we'll choose the number 1 option, which is value. It'll ask us what x value we care about, and we'll tell it the x value that they care about, whatever that limit is approaching. So we'll enter 3 in this situation. And whatever the y value is that comes out of there, that's going to be our answer. So we open up a calculator, go into our y equals, and we go ahead and type that equation in. So negative x squared plus 2x, and then minus 8. We'll graph that equation, and then we'll hit that menu option. So second, and then calc, and we'll choose number 1 in that menu, which is value. And then what x value, that'll be the number they gave us, so that'll be the 3 they gave us here. And then the y value that comes out, that is our answer. So y equals negative 11. So the final answer here is negative 11.